We'll guide you through how to fix the TikTok live option missing or not showing. Click on the plus button at the bottom of TikTok and the live option should be to the right of templates. First of all, you need to make sure you meet the eligibility requirements for this. So to go live, you need to be at least 18 years of age or older and have 1,000 followers. If you don't meet the requirements, you'll need to go and hit them before you can go live. However, if you do meet them, but you don't have the option, come to the profile page, click on the three lines in the top right and click on settings and privacy. Then go and scroll down like so, and you want to click on free up space, find cache. Go to the right and go and click on clear. You can then swipe up on TikTok and swipe up on it to go and close it and reopen it up. Go and see if that solves a problem for you. If it doesn't, then what you can try doing is using it on another device, as that's what TikTok recommends. However, if using your account on another device doesn't fix the problem, click on the three lines in the top right and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down to report a problem. Click on search and you want to go and type in live. Click on I can't find any live on TikTok. They'll go and guide you through here. We've covered that though. Then you can click no and you can click on need more help. And you can then go and send a message to TikTok here and hopefully get the problem fixed.